Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the dashboard theme on the Mercedes-Benz central media display unit using MBUX. Right now I'm using Mercedes-Benz GLB, but if you are using any Mercedes-Benz variant which uses MBUX, the interface will be same. So what you need to do is on this central display here, when you press on the home button, you will see this suggestion option here with this arrow downwards. So just press on suggestion, or whatever option you see with the downward arrow, just press on that and then just scroll down. You can see all the themes here, and I can just show you the theme. So let me select the experience theme from here, and the experience theme will be selected, and I can choose the other options like engine and everything from here. Right now, once again, if I want to change the theme, I can go once again to the theme option using suggestions, and then I can choose efficiency mode, for example, and the theme for efficiency mode will be active. So this is how you can change the theme on your Mercedes-Benz dashboard using MBUX. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.